Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about how to find the solution A. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We put the square in the both sides, so you got about A plus the square root equals to 3 to the power of 2, you got about 9. We move little a in here on the right. Next, we put the square in the both sides. And we got about 9 minus 8, everything to the power of 2. And if we look carefully, this is equal to number 3, so we put number 3 in here. And 2 plus 3, that's about 5. Next, we put the square root in the both sides, and we have two equations. The first one and the second one. So we move negative number 5 on the left, so you got about a equal to 9 plus 9 minus negative number 5. And the last one, let's see about a equals to 9 plus the square root of number 5. Now let's go back for this one. We know that the square root of number 9 is about 3. If we put this one in here, is greater than 9 because we have 9 plus the square root of number 5, and we also the number on the right in here. So if we put in here, so you get more than number 3, so we need to reject this one. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.